Right now, as you watch this, your brain is already preparing to yawn. You didn't choose it, you can't stop it. It just happens. And the strangest part, just reading the word yawn can trigger one. Scientists have studied yawning for decades, and we still don't fully understand it. Let's start with the basics. What actually happens when you yawn? Your mouth opens wide, your jaw stretches to its limit. Your eardrums flex and stretch inside your ears. Your lungs fill with air, more than a normal breath. Then a long, slow exhale. The whole thing lasts about 6 seconds. Every single human does this, every day, multiple times. But here's what's wild. We start yawning before we're even born. Fetuses yawn at just 11 weeks. We don't even have lungs fully formed yet, which already tells us yawning is not just about getting air. And it's not just humans. Fish yawn, birds yawn, snakes yawn. Even your dog yawns, probably right next to you sometimes. So yawning is ancient. It goes back hundreds of millions of years. For a long time, scientists had one explanation: the oxygen theory. The idea? When you're tired or bored, your breathing slows down. Less breathing means less oxygen reaching the brain. So the body triggers a yawn to gulp an extra oxygen. Simple, clean, made sense. Until 1987, researcher Robert Provine decided to actually test it. He gave one group pure oxygen to breathe, more than they'd ever normally get. Result, they yawned just as much as normal. Oxygen made zero difference. He then gave another group air with extra CO2, almost no oxygen. Same result, they didn't yawn more. The oxygen theory was dead. So scientists went back to zero. Why do we actually yawn? The leading theory today: yawning cools your brain. Your brain generates heat when it works. Too much heat slows it down. A yawn pulls cooler air from outside through your mouth and nasal cavity. The cool blood from your face and jaw then circulates up to the brain. Brain temperature drops slightly, performance improves, problem solved. Evidence: people yawn more in warm rooms than cold ones. And we yawn most when transitioning between sleep and waking, when brain temp shifts. Athletes yawn before competition, not from boredom, from brain prep. Paratroopers yawn before jumping. Musicians yawn before performing. Yawning is your brain getting ready for something important. Now, the part everyone actually wants to know. Why is it contagious? Just seeing someone yawn makes you yawn. Reading about it makes you yawn. Even thinking about yawning is enough. Your brain simulates it automatically. Scientists call this echo phenomenon involuntary imitation of others' actions. And it's deeply tied to one thing: empathy. The more empathetic you are, the faster and more reliably you catch a yawn. This was proven in studies measuring empathy scores and yawn contagion rates. People with higher empathy caught contagious yawns almost twice as often. Children under 4 don't catch yawns at all. Empathy develops with age. People with psychopathy show reduced contagious yawning. Autistic individuals catch yawns less frequently, linked to differences in social mirroring. Mirror neurons are key. They fire when you watch someone else do something. Your brain literally simulates what it sees. It feels what others feel. Yawning might be an ancient social bonding signal. When the group leader yawned, it signaled time to sleep, everyone sync up. Synchronized sleep meant safety. The whole group rested and woke together. Even dogs catch yawns from their owners, but not from strangers. The stronger the bond, Jory, the more contagious the yawn. Your relationship is measurable. So what do we actually know for certain about yawning? We know it's universal. Every vertebrate animal does it. We know it starts before birth. We know it's not about oxygen. We know the contagious version is tied to empathy and social connection. But the full picture? Still being debated. Science is honest about what it doesn't know. So next time you yawn, your brain is cooling down, or feeling connected, or both. Now you know.